Space Research Organization Chairman S. Somanath said India is aiming to launch 50 satellites in the next 5 years for geo-intelligence gathering, which will include the creation of a layer of satellites in different orbits with a capacity to track the movement of troops and image thousands of kilometers of area.
The Japanese Ministry of Defense has announced that it has completed the development of new SH-60L naval combat helicopter. It has been manufactured to secure superiority in anti-submarine warfare against foreign submarines with improved stealth characteristics.
Turkey new generation air combat fighter Anka-III reached an altitude of 8,000 during its test flight, achieving speed of 150 knots, and it has a practical payload capacity of 1,200 kilograms. HAL new Aero Engine Research and Development Center, which spans over 10,000 square meters, will facilitate the development of strategic engines for powering trainer aircrafts, drones, regional jets and light and medium helicopters. China named Naval Commander General Dong Jun as the new defense minister, 2 months after the dismissal of General Li Shengfu without any explanation.